Guys, today we are going to talk about slime, how to make it. So here's our material. First we have the slime. See, I have also the this one, the glitter, and I have this. My name is Keiko anyway, from California, and we are going to open it. This is not in Indonesia, okay? Don't buy it. You can't buy it. It's not in Indonesia. So we are going to open it and put it away. And it comes with a lid too. So we are going to open the lid, and there's something slimy there. It's like this. See? It's a lid. Can you say lid? Okay, if you already say the lid one, then let's get started. So we put it here first. If you go to Korea, if you see this on Korea, buy this. This is so fun. You see? See? It's so scratchy. Now I won't show you all of it, but I'm going to just show you half of it, because the inside is the same one. See? It's so slimy. Put this here. Put that there. And close it back. Close it back first, and later you can see what is the amazing part. So this is at midnight, so I cannot do a lot of shots, so let's just get started. So it's so slimy. I won't take too long. We'll just make a pot, and this is so fun. Look at this. Okay, and that. Look at that. We're going to scratch it. In the next part tomorrow, I think we are going to make a snowman, and this is part 1. So let's put it back. If you see my mom, just be quiet. Don't do anything. Just be quiet. And we are done. See? Now we are going to put this like this. So you see? So you need to make it like straight. So like this, and you put it this way. Like this, and you push it and open it. I need to clean it first. Okay, so now I'm going to make another one there and there. So up, you do it again, and then that's all. That's all of it. You just need to push it again if it's still not working. Okay, guys? So I'm going to talk about the story of the blind man or the Avatar. Which one is this? Tell me in the comments, Avatar or the Big War later, part 3 or part 4, where I'm going to tell you the story. So let's put it back. So open glitter. Don't mind about the glitter. My mom said I cannot use the glitter, so I'll put it here and then. And this, okay. So bye guys. See you in part 2. Okay, bye.